And good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. So, yesterday, market was looking well. Ang ganda ng market yesterday. So far so good. Every time almost all of the yung mga pinag-chart natin nangyari naman. We're expecting a pullback from now. Yan, kahit na malaki yung open in now yesterday. Told you not to enter. Ayun, ang laki na negative. Ang dami siguro naipit yung mga naghabol. Kaipitan na. So, I told you, make sure you know what you're doing before kayo pumasok. So, I hope hindi kayo pumasok kahapon. Kung pinasok nyo man, you were momentum trading, there were instances na umakyat siya at nag-scalping lang kayo. Pang-scalping na lang kasi yung levels na yun eh. So, I hope that was the case. Buti na lang, napag-usapan natin yun. So, yesterday's episode, nung bumalik tayo, was very timely. At least napigilan natin ang karamihan. Yan. So, today's gonna be a short episode lang. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be reading some of the comments. Wala pa akong tulog. Family emergency, was at the hospital last night. Mga 4 a.m. na ako. Nauwi kanina. So, quick nap and gising kanina for the daily grind. Tapos matutulog ako after. My head is aching. So, yeah, it's gonna be a short episode today. Pero, ang ganda ng market. I have a very good picks that I wanna share with you guys. And if you wanna check it out, tingnan natin in a bit. Yan. And also, I wanna talk about yung may question kahapon. Pinag-aralan ko si ALLHOME. ALLHOME lang muna pag-usapan natin kasi mag-IPO si ALLHOME. I wanna talk about that. Ano yung sentiments ko. Very short sentiments lang. We'll talk about it in a bit. Okay? So, I'm gonna go to the comments ng mga tao before we go to the picks. Silent ko lang muna yan. Yung background music. Yan. Let me adjust everything. And Erin Star, good morning. Michelle, idol, tagal mo body online live streaming. Oo nga, nagbakasyon lang ako. Kailangan magbakasyon rin. Minsan, haba na ng hindi ko napansin. Ang haba na pala ng daily grind without taking a break. So, took a break while ghost month. Siguro ito na yung magiging schedule ko on my breaks, yung ghost months. Alright, Jolly Gares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning to my daughter, Laika. Michelle, PPG po, sana idol. Thanks, yes, PPG. Yesterday, we talked about PPG. Inaabangan natin yung bounce ni PPG. Ayun, nag-bounce nga kahapon. So, hopefully, nahuli niyo yung bounce kahapon. Laki ng bounce kahapon. Let me see. Isa yung may naka-highest gainers, diba? Si PPG. Right, here we go. PPG. Strong, very strong bounce. Right? Kahapon nag-open dyan. Hopefully, napasok nyo po yan. Medyo mahirap na siya habulin ngayon kasi medyo mataas na yung akyat niya. Exaggerated naman yung bounce niya. So, I cannot recommend that anymore. Hopefully, naabangan nyo yung bounce kahapon. We talked about that. Abangan natin yung bounce kahapon. So nga lang kahapon sobra naman yung bounce. The volume is not really good for me. So I don't want to recommend na going after this level anymore. That's a missed opportunity. If hindi natin nasakyan yan, ay iwanan na natin yan. Ben Moneda, hello, Sir Lloyd. Maing buntag. Argel Mendoza, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, GFC, ISM, Alco, Apo. GFC, bodagahin nyo lang po yan. That's still a very good company overall. Maraming nag-aabang dyan na bumaba. So what you do is just keep buying. If it goes further down, just keep buying more. Marami po nag-aabang na investors dyan. So that's okay. ISM, bodagahin nyo na po si ISM habang mura pa. Alco and Apo, si Apo masyado mataas. I don't wanna recommend that. Si Alco, downtrend pa, really hard to say if it's already the bounce that we're waiting for. I cannot say. It's too aggressive for an entry for me si Alco. I want further confirmation kung pwede na pasukin. Ben Moneda, sir, may I ask your insights on upcoming IPO, ALLHOME and other for CDO, Coconut Company? Salamat. Hindi ko pa na re-research yung isang IPO kasi yung ALLHOME lang. Pag-usapan natin yan. Right, Sir STI po, good morning. Alright, Maki, good morning, sir, from Davao. Good morning po. Mike 16, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, bakit po nawala ng chat room sa Discord? Discord is still open. Right, let me just open Discord. Nope, not that one. Discord is still open. The problem with Discord is if you're not active, out po kayo. Right, Discord automatically kicks out what do you call this, members who are not active in the chat room. So magsalita kayo every now and then para wag po kayo ma-out. Okay? Discord group, andyan rin po sa video description. If you wanna join it, you can still join it. It's still open. It's open anytime. But it's just that magsalita kayo every now and then para hindi po kayo makick. We're gonna be starting my picks at around 8:40. Basahin ko lang ang comments hanggang 8:40. And then at 8:40 in the morning, we'll start our topic. Asan ako? And that was for Mike 16. Renetado, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Si Meg. Meg. Kahapon na-recommend ko si Meg, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, magbodega na kay Meg regardless of anong movement ni Meg. And there it is, umakyat si Meg. Dapat binabodegan nyo na po yan, si Meg. We don't know if this is the bottom. You cannot know if this is the bottom. Ang strategy na gusto ko gawin ninyo dito is buy here. If it goes further down, then just keep buying more. Or if it goes up and then gives a pullback and bounce, then that's when you buy more. Right? Simulan nyo na po yan kay Meg. Right? Overall, still a good company. Kay GFC, ganun po ang gawin ninyo. Right, bodega po yun po ibig sabihin ng bodega na strategy. I always tell you kung anong stocks nga pwedeng bodegahin. Today, in my recommendations, ang pinapabodega ko po sa inyo, si ISM, si Poppy, ALLHC. Kasi maganda na yung mga bounces niya. So, simulan nyo na po magbodega. Right, I'll post my picks in a bit. Good morning, sir. How about KPPI? Very volatile for me. For now, I don't want to play with KPPI yet. Right, very volatile pa siya, wala pa akong indicator makita. But this is a good uptrend for KPPI. You can use this bounce as your support, right? Pwede niyo po itong pasukin kaagad. Pwede use this bounce as your support if ever ayaw mag-materialize, then you can always cut your losses. Pwede na po si KPPI. Sir, may buntag, more power. God bless you always. Thank you so much. Right, Annelene, good morning. Bumaba yung comments. Right, taka lang ha. Sir STI po. Ayan. Tama ba? Ito ba yung nabasa ko? Ito. Hindi ko nabasa yung STI ni Gone Freaks. STI po. Right? Si STI. Right? Si STI. Negative ang earnings. Let's see. I cannot, it's still on a clear downtrend. I don't want to recommend STI yet. Pwede natin abangan ito sa support if you want. Abangan natin sa support. Tingnan natin yung mag-bounce. Doon natin subukan. Pero with this earnings, ito mga negative yan. So, sunod-sunod yan na negative eh. So, I don't think STI is gonna be a good bet for kaya hindi po, wala po sa watchlist ko gaano si STI. Maki, good morning from Davao. Good morning po. Ayan. Mark Benson good morning. Pa-check si Seb. Will it go up? Si Seb, merong merong resistance si Seb eh. This, I don't know. But if you wanna enter Seb, clear signal that Seb might go up will be a breakout. Yan po yung abangan natin for the current position for CEB. Okay, good morning from Sinoda. Etnerual. Laurente, ayun, Adonis Laurente. Binabaliktad niyo yung pangalan niyo. Siguro may utang kayo kaya yung sinasabi nila yung mga binabaliktad na pangalan sa Facebook and yung mga ayaw ma-search kasi may mga utang daw. It's just a joke. Annalyn, good morning sir. How about KBPI? We talked about that just a while ago. Good morning Nanette. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Right, STV Trade. Good morning sir. ISM. Bodegahin nyo na si ISM, si IRC. Medyo shaky ako kay IRC but IRC is hitting us a long-term support. Maganda po yung movement ni IRC. Ito, dito siya na support. It was where prices previously bounced. Meron tayong short-term divergence. So, this is a good bet for IRC. This could be a good entry. Ayoko lang ilagay sa recommendations ko because I'm shaky with IRC kasi yung pag-asa ni IRC isang project lang yung what do you call this? Yung project niya ngayon, yung subway ba yun? Yeah, subway lang kasi. So, it's kind of shaky for me. Noel Menano, Aba, yan. JJ Moore, good morning Sir Lloyd, IDC, Holcim, po, si Holcim nag-bounce sa MA20, di ba? Holcim, ayun, MA20, malapit mag MA20, doon siya nag-bounce. This is the best time to enter it. Kung meron lang pending order dito sa Pilipinas, ang ganda sana i-trade talaga. Okay? Problema, wala tayong pending order, so kailangan natin abangan ang market whenever that happens. So, it's kind of challenging. Okay? So, Holcim, abangan nyo po sa MA20. MA20 was the best entry point. We are at a lower high. So, medyo shaky ako dyan for that. But this would have been the best entry point. Itong MA20 pounds ni Holcim. Magkano ba yung akyat ni Holcim yesterday? 0.68 after dropping there. Ganda sana sa MA20. Pero, let's see how much our risk is. Price range. From this point to that point. Nasa 3%. If you can get in near MA20, that will be a very good entry for Holcim. Abangan nyo lang po if ever gusto nyo talagang i-trade yan. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, if may oras kayo mag-trade, and then, most probably, you're good for trading, abangan nyo po anytime. Kasi gamitin nyo po yung mga alarm systems ninyo, yung mga price alerts if meron kayong mga ganon para sa mga ganito. Yung may stocks kayo na inaabangan sa MA20, yung bounce niya at a certain price. Pwede po kayong gumamit ng stock alerts. Okay? Ron, Vinat, Ann, thank you sa Daily Grind. It does really help us a lot. We're still starting with stocks. Is tech good for long term? Right now, pangit ng numbers ni tech na pinapalabas but negative 59 for the second quarter. Pero maganda naman yung last year niya sana. But this year, it's not performing well. I cannot recommend this for long term. Isa kasi sa basehan natin na maganda siya i-long term is if it is consistent in its earnings. And right now, this year, it's looking bad yung earnings niya. So, I can't recommend it for tech. I mean, for long term si tech. Bilisan ko lang, guys. Medyo hang pa yung utak ko kasi wala akong tulog. Remigio Cabrera, may buntag, more power. Thank you so much. Francis Fahilan, sir, good morning. Good morning din. Jim Martinez, good morning, coach. Bodega na po ba si DNL? Yes, definitely. DNL is for Bodega. Ang mura na ni DNL ngayon considering its price movements. So, yeah. We talked about DNL yesterday. Bodega levels na yan. Pag nag-bounce yan, definitely that's a good confirmation. Nag-antay lang ako ng bounce ulit ni DNL. And another confirmation, I will put DNL on my list para in Bodega. Seriously, FB. FB is a good company. So nga lang downtrend pa. Has been touching the lower Bollinger Bands. We talked about this yesterday. So, iwas lang muna. Pa-downtrend pa si FB. But definitely, abangan nyo po yan sa mga gustong relax na trading. These are the stocks that we tend to look at. Abangan po natin yan. Pag nag-dip yan, we just buy it. Tulad ni ATN, sabi ko sa inyo, just keep buying ATN, just keep buying ATN on the dips. Yesterday, ang ganda ng climb ni ATN with the news. And then, nagka-sell on news kasi ang dami na nakabili dito sa baba. That's to be expected. This is good for ATN. Any bounce soon should be a good entry point for ATN since this is a good pullback. Natural lang yung sell-off after taking profits. This is a very good climb for ATN from this point to that point. 23% po yan. Natural lang na may magbenta dyan. And then there's the pullback. And then pag nag-bounce yan, pwede na natin pasukin. Hindi ko lang ma-recommend ngayon. Good morning, sir. TUGS, GFC, ECP. Pabati naman po si Clarence Adonis. Salamat from Leovin de Celos. Hi, Leovin. GFC, Bodega lang si TUGS. TUGS overall is still a good company. Ang negative earnings ni TUGS is because of their expenses this year kasi ang dami lang investments ngayon, ang daming expansion ni TUGS. But this is still a very good company overall, right? And we are seeing divergence. I'd say this is time to Bodega already TUGS, right? Let me correct myself. I want to add TUGS to my list. I want to recommend TUGS, ALLHC, TUGS, ALLHC, and ISM. So, simulan nyo na po mag-Bodega dyan. We have a confirmation divergence already. Pangalawang divergence na yan. Okay? TUGS is a buy. Okay? It's a buy for me already. Simulan nyo na Bodegahin yan. Test buy nyo na. If it goes further down, just keep buying more. Mike 16, sir, paano gagawin ko sa Discord ko? Dapat pa mag-request pa ng bagong membership. Hindi na kasi makapag-chat. Right? Mike 16, I'm not really sure what you mean. Panibagong membership. Wala naman membership ang ang Discord. You mean you wanna create a new account? I'm not really sure, but testingin nyo po ito. Mike 16, I'm gonna post the Discord group na invitation link and po sa chat. If you click on that, you should be able to enter the Discord group. So, please check it out. Click on it and let's see if makapasok po kayo. Abangan ko po yan. Okay, Philip Santillan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. How about DMCI? DMCI is already it's on my pick for today. Yesterday, even today. Nasa today siya na pick ko. Right? DMCI is a buy. We have a confirmation bounce. Ganda ng support na yan. 1 and 2. And we have volume on this bounce. So, that's a good signal. DMC is in my picks for today. Abner Especio, Coach, good morning. Been a while that I have not heard from you. Thanks, Reco, for now. At least, nabawi lahat ng lusawang gains for Ghostman. Congratulations. Yes, na-recommend ko si Now before siya lumipad. Before ako umalis for what do you call this? Tawag nito. I've been recommending Now dito diba? I've been recommending it there. Bumaba siya dito and then lumipad na lang bigla. Yung recommendation ko kasi sa mga naipit kay Now is wag niyong bitawan. What you do is sell on the dips and sell on the climbs and then buy more on the dips and hopefully nakabawi na kayo. This is already a very good move for Now. Sana nakabenta kayo. Ha? Hopefully nakabenta kayo kahapon. Abner Especio. Asan yan? Pala guys, please share the video. A little request on my end sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Share nyo po sa Facebook walls niyo para yung friends niyo curious naman about the stock market, diba? And for your trading groups, if you have any trading groups, recommend this videos, yung daily videos natin para mag-guide po natin sila sa trading nila. To your friends na hindi pa nagsa-stock market, right? I want to invite you to the seminar this weekend. I've been preparing for this. Mababang preparation din itong ginawa ko. So it's gonna be a very special seminar this weekend, right? That's gonna be on Saturday, 9 morning. Manila time po yan. I don't know why UTC ang nakalagay. Ginawa ko kasi itong advertisement, itong event na ito sa Rome, Italy. Kaya baka yun yung nakuha niya na time zone. And I don't know how to change this anymore. Pero 9 o'clock in the morning po yan sa atin. Okay? This is gonna be basics, right? How to get rich in the stock market. I want to introduce the stock market to everyone as simple as possible. Para naman po, sa mga kaibigan ninyo na gusto nyo matuto about stock market, this is the best seminar for them. And this is for free, online, this Saturday. Okay? Please share. Punta po kayo sa Financial Freedom 101 or yung sa natin, sa Billionaires Club, may nakapin po dyan na announcement for the seminar. Share this to your walls and share this to your friends or your family members na gusto nyo po gusto nyo pong i-invite sa stock market. This is gonna be very beneficial for them and this is for free online sa YouTube channel ko po. Right? A little request from my end. Let's make this. Please help me with our advocacy on educating more and more Filipinos about the stock market. And this is one of the isa po sa pinakamadaling paraan na ma-educate po natin ng mga kaibigan natin, mga kababayan natin. So please share the event to them. Right, 8:34 time check. Let me check the comments. If ever wala na, we'll go to my recommendations. Abner Especio, pahabol pala coach, insights naman kay DMW, engulfing, wait for the stabilization. Si DMW, one of the good companies that I am monitoring out there. Let's see. Kamusta? Oo nga pala. Oo. Engulfing na si DMW. So, this is very good. We talked about this. Sabi ko sa inyo, in time soon, magbabounce na yan. Ganda ng bounce na yesterday. Diba? So, if hindi nyo po nahuli yan, wait for the next pullback and bounce. Maybe create a new support dito. Pag nag-support yan, definitely an entry. Or a higher, a good price action, a higher low will be a good entry point. Next pullback niya and then bounce. Pasukin nyo po si DMW. Okay? We still have time. PPG po. PPG is too high. Wait for the pullback na lang. Masyadong mataas na po yan. Hopefully, makapasok pa kayo near this support. Use this 6.98 as your support. Hopefully, bigyan kayo ng opportunity. If hindi, wag na lang. Okay? Masyadong high risk na po siya kasi pagpapasukin nyo ngayon. Mama's Little Alan Chololoy. Good morning. Sir, this is from Sales. Good morning, sir. From Singapore Insights po kay Meg and FLI. Meg, bodagahin nyo na po si Meg. Same with FLI. Alright, si FLI. Ang ganda rin ng bounce na FLI. Bodagahin nyo na po yan si FLI. Alright, we have a divergence already for FLI. Those are bodega signals. Okay? Malapit na siya sa bottom eh. So, you just buy now and then just buy more if ever it goes further down. Ganun lang. Or you buy more here. Buy there, and then if it goes high and then creates a good price action, you buy more at the next pullback. Ganun po ang strategy dyan for these good companies. ECP and JFC, ECP, masyado mataas na po yan. Huwag niyo pong hahabulin. Kaipitan sa mga nainggit, diba? I keep telling you guys, wag po. At ayan, ang daming naipit tuloy. Right? If you don't know what you're doing, wag nyo na pong habulin. Right? We are expecting ECP. Antay natin. Hopefully, we get a bounce today and then dun nyo po testing and that will be your next support if ever mag-bounce po yan. But as long as you know what you're doing, okay? Wala pang bounce kasi yan. Asan na yan? Emily Gulciano, good morning. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, PXP po. This is from Sean 4C. PXP, masyado mataas pa. Right? Masyado mataas pa for PXP. Ang ganda ng MA20 bounce na ito. Sayang, this was the best entry point for PXP. Yung MA20 bounce. That's why I've been discussing with you guys always what is MA20. Bakit paborito ko po yan. That's the best entry points for me. Masyado mataas na and I think magpapahinga na yan si PXP. Those are that's a missed opportunity already kung hindi nyo pa po napasok yan. Sean 4C and SLI, what is a good entry point for position? SLI, Santa Lucia Land. Yesterday is a good entry point sana. The MA20 is the best entry point for SLI. Right? Right now, pwede nyo po anytime if it gives you a good entry point at MA20, that's a good entry point for SLI. Motoflute, good morning. Good AM, pasilip po si PHA. Ganda ng bounce niya PHA yesterday. But I'm not recommending PHA anymore yet. For me, it's medyo overpriced po siya considering na wala siyang wala din siyang tawag nito. Wala na yung investor niya. Diba? But I cannot deny the charting. I cannot deny the charting. Meron tayong divergence dito. This is a good support to enter PHA. So, if you wanna test out PHA, this is a good entry point. Right? Wala pa akong rason ngayon to recommend PHA kasi wala na yung investor niya. Diba? So, I'm not recommending PHA right now. Mark Villaverde, JFC, and M-Wide. Sirs, M-Wide, ganda pa rin ang daming projects na M-Wide dito sa Cebu. Grabe. So, yeah. Natatakot lang ako sa movement ni M-Wide but it has a support right here. Hopefully, ang ganda ng ganda ng volume spikes recently So, I think aakyat ito. So, if you wanna enter M-Wide, yeah, use this as your support. Itong recent support na ito. Around 18 pesos, 18. That's a good support for M-Wide. That's a good entry point for M-Wide. Pwede nyo pasukin yan. Hafa Aday, good morning sir from Macau Insights, JFC. JFC, bodagahin nyo na po yan. MPI and TUGS. MPI, very good company. That's for long term. Just keep buying the dips for this stock. Malapit na tayong MA20 bounce. That's a good entry point for MPI. Okay? Nag-aabang lang ko na MA20 bounce. TUGS, we already talked about that. CHP, SSI, please. Time check, it's 8:39. Carlo Turingan, ATN, pag nag-bounce yan, pwede nyo pong pasukin. CHP, medyo okay naman yung price action niya. hard to tell eh. Kaka-break nilang kasi sa sa MA20. So we're seeing lower highs and lower lows. So it's on a downtrend right now. Best signal for CHB is if it breaks that downtrend. Doon nyo po pasukin. Okay, pag nag-breakout po yan. 810 by the bounce. Okay, so it's 8:40 already. I wanna go to my picks already. Tingnan yung position ng pusa ko. Tawa. Yan po si Bido. Ang kulit eh. Na-miss niya kami. Ayaw niya akong lubayan for the past few days na kakarating ko lang. Laging tumatabi sa akin. Right, anyways. No, don't scratch the chair. And, here are my picks for today. And, andyan po sa comments. AC, one of my favorites for today. Inuna ko po si AC, then PPC. Ang dami, gusto ko sana paliitan eh. Kaso nga lang, wala akong time ngayon to really scrutinize the picks. But tingnan nyo lang po, tingnan natin ang charting. Bakit ko po sila nirecommend for today. Again, it's AC, PPC, GTCAP, ALLHC, COSCO, SMPH, EEI, DMC, Emperador. Now, si TUGS, ALLHC, and ISM is for Bodega mode. Okay? Si TUGS, ALLHC, and ISM is for Bodega mode. I-separate ko lang yung nasa Bodega mode. Okay. So, I'll start with AC. After this, guys, I'm afraid kailangan ko i-end yung program. We're gonna cut the program short for today. Sakit ng ulo ko talaga. AC is giving us good price action and it's all green. Right? Ang ganda na price action na yan ni AC. So, I think this is gonna do a breakout. We have a support right here. Pasukin nyo po sa support si AC. Okay? It's either that or if you want a conservative approach, pwede nyo po on a breakout nyo po pasukin. But this is very good price action for me. Ang ganda ng earnings ni AC on second quarter that should invite more investors to come in. And this is the result of these greens are the result of these earnings. So, maganda po yan for AC. If ever the market is gonna bounce, ito yung unang aakyat. Not for sure, but I have a strong feeling that AC is gonna go up. So balikan natin sa AC in a few weeks. Tingnan natin anong galaw niya. But yeah, I have a very good hunch because of the technical analysis. PPC, good earnings. This earnings in second quarter niya caused this spike for PPC, and then bumalik po siya sa support, and we're back at that level. That's a good entry point for me. Pwede niyo po testingin ang support ni PPC. Okay, that's why it's in my picks for today. GTCAP. GTCAP naman, we already have this support confirmation and another confirmation for yesterday. That's already a good entry signal for me. GTCAP is a go. If pwede nyo po bodegahin, pwede. Ang ganda na earnings ni GTCAP for the second quarter. So, it's already good buy for me for GTCAP. Si ALLHC also. ALLHC, we have this engulfing pattern and then we have a confirmation of a support and we have a breakout from the downtrend. So, that's a good reversal signal for ALLHC. Right? I'd say this is a good already to get in. Si ALLHC. Then, COSCO. Si COSCO naman, very strong support, right? Very strong support for COSCO, even though negative 10 siya for the second quarter. That's because ang lakas ng second quarter niya last year, right? Second quarter was plus 29%. So, medyo maliit yung second quarter niya, but the first quarter is a very big number, 435%. So, it's doing well this year, right? Compared to last year. COSCO, we have a strong support for COSCO. Use this line as your support for entry kung gusto niyo pong pumasok kay COSCO. SMPH, I'm recommending SMPH because I'm seeing volume spike already on this level right here. So there's good volume for SMPH and we have good price action. May buying na tayo for SMPH. So we have a support for SMPH already. This is already a buy for me. And after the engulfing pattern, there's a confirmation of the pullback, good price action. Pwede nang bodegahin ulit si SMPH, right? SMPH overall is still very cheap, very good company. That's a buy for me, si SMPH. Ito yung mga buy more levels for SMPH. So, mga nagbobodega kay SMPH. I am one of those guys, right? So, I'm gonna be buying more SMPH. EEI, good price action for EEI. Just confirmed a support yesterday. That's a good entry point. Cut loss below that line for EEI. Right? Sa mga gusto mag-trade ng positions, that's a very obvious support right there. Pwede nyo pong pasukin yan. DMC. Si DMC, picks for today. We discussed about this earlier. We just confirmed a support for DMC. Short-term support for those who are trading it. Pwede nyo po enterin si DMC. And lastly, si Emperador. Emperador, bakit? We have a good support right here and here. And we have a confirmation the other day. And then, buying na naman yesterday. We have good volume spikes on this support. Napaka ganda po ng position Emperador. Right? This is one of my favorites sa today. Okay? Pwede nyo pong testingin yan. I have lakas ng indicator. Double bottom yan. And that's the support. That should bounce. At least may masakin kayong bounce for Emperador. Okay? Next is TUGS. Bodegahin nyo na po si TUGS. We talked about this. We already have good divergence for TUGS. This is a good company. We have volume already on the bounce. So TUGS, start buying TUGS. This is the time to start buying na. Dapat nung ghost month, nung pangit ang market, hindi kayo gumagalaw halos. Kaya po nagbakasyon na ako, hindi ako nag-daily grind kasi baka ma-tempt kayo mag-trade. Right? These are the good dips that we're waiting for the ghost month. Ito yung blessings ni ghost month actually. Okay? So we are given good positions already. And these are the things that we want to buy. ALLHC, even if maganda yung company, tingnan nyo, ganda na earnings pero bumagsak because of the ghost month, 200% for the second quarter. ALLHC, bodegahin nyo na po. Right? This is a good price already for ALLHC. Sumulan na ang bodega for ALLHC. Okay? Also, ISM. ISM is bouncing at this support right here after this engulfing pattern. Good price action for ISM yesterday. So, it's a signal to start buying this dip of ISM. Okay? Time to add more, buy more for ISM. Okay, so, and, it's 8:46. Short lang, di ba? Last lang, meron ditong comment si Daisy Umali. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. OV. Si OV naman kasi, pwede nyo pong cash cow ito. Just keep buying at 0.10 and then pwede nyo po ibenta at 0.011. Or kung if you're patient enough and you wanna sell it at 0.12, 0.012, that's okay. So, ang technique po dyan is just keep buying. Mag-GTC lang po kayo. It will take you weeks before kayo makapasok dyan. Pag nakapasok kayo, mag-GTC rin kayo at 1.112 or 0.111. Ganun lang po kay OV. SOC, missed opportunity nito yun. Taas na ng bounce niya yesterday. So, I don't wanna chase that anymore. Good morning, Sir Lopez. Sir, your thoughts? Yan, sila Lopez, sila ABS. Inano ko yan yesterday. Finiture ko sila yesterday. It's already good buy. For Lopez, siguro breakout sa strategy will be good for Lopez. If ever gusto nyo pong pumasok kay Lopez. Pag nag-breakout yan, that's where you enter. OVSOC, APL po. Si APL naman. Hirap ng chart ni APL ngayon. Apollo, I can't recommend it yet. I'm seeing a downtrend for Apollo. The buying seems to go lower and lower. So, really can't recommend it. Sir, good morning, Sir Lloyd. How will you know if the volume is enough to invest in a stock? May certain range ba? Like 500k to 1 million? Many things. Depende po yan sa stock eh. Compared to the previous volume. Like example dito, maliit ang volume dito. But we have volume spikes right here. That is a good indicator that there's good volume for this stock. Like this one right here. Ito yung galaw niya pero ang ganda, laki ng volume. So, you compare it to the previous, to the history of the stock. If makikita nyo naman yung spikes niya on the volume. Sir, do you hold any crypto? I'm not holding any crypto right now because very volatile ang crypto. Right? Sa eToro po ako nag-crypto noon. I was holding crypto before and nag-gain tayo doon. But it's very volatile. And right now sa crypto, sa eToro kasi natin is we are nagpapakopy trade po tayo, so it's not really wise to hold on to very volatile assets, especially if nagpapakopy kayo. Okay? Renetado SPC, sir. Idle thanks. Thank you then, Rocky. SPC, last lang. SPC, MA20 bounce, right? Enter. There's an obvious entry here, MA20, MA20, MA20. This is where you enter. Use MA20 as your support if ever you want to enter SPC, okay? Again, guys, this Saturday, I want to invite everyone to... alam nyo na ang stock market kasi, diba? But this is for your friends, for your family, relatives, na this is a good opportunity to educate them, right? This is gonna be a very good discussion. It's gonna be a very easy, understandable discussion for them para ma-encourage natin sila mag-start mag-invest sa stock market. So please invite them this Saturday, August 31, 9 in the morning. That's this Saturday, 9 in the morning. Please invite your friends, tag your friends on the event, or share this to your wall. A little request from my end po. Tulungan niyo po ako sa goal natin for Financial Freedom 101 to educate every Filipino about financial literacy, about stock market, and other forms of investments. Right? Stock market po yung topic natin this Saturday. Please share this to them. So I hope I've earned that request from you guys. Okay, so Mark Santarina, good morning. Grabe yung kinaw kahapon na possibly galaw niya today. It's really hard to say because it's very volatile. Pwede siya mag-bounce for today. Sakyan niyo lang po yung bounce pero take profits rin kaagad because it's very risky. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Pasensya na if we have to cut the program short for today. Pula ng mata ko. Wala pa akong tulog. I have to rest. Nasakit na ng ulo ko. See you again tomorrow. Hopefully I can rest properly tonight. As always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and share it to your friends and your walls. Bye everyone. Oh.